Graves' disease is a systemic disorder where you have revved up metabolism. So if you think about the things in your body that cause or are side effects of revved up metabolism, you have a rapid heart rate, you have increased breathing, you can have sweating, you can have your blood pressure go up, you can lose weight because you're expending lots of energy, you can have upset and extra motility to your GI system, which affects your bowel movements. You can have increased hunger because everything you take in, you feel like you want to eat all the time because you're losing weight and you're expending a lot of energy. So think of Graves' disease as hypermetabolic with systemic side effects. Graves' disease is not cancer. You should have a normal life expectancy as long as you work closely with your team. The team needs to include several different people, everyone from an endocrinologist, a primary care doctor, an ophthalmologist, a dermatologist, and your doctor will go over how those all interact. As long as you take care of yourself and you address Graves' disease, you can have a normal life expectancy. Please make sure to subscribe. Graves' disease is a serious condition, and the most important thing is you can't beat it by yourself. You can manage Graves' disease, but you're never going to completely alleviate Graves' disease. And you need several doctors to assist you with it. As long as they're assisting you with it, you're going to do absolutely fine. But it is a very serious condition, and you have to work with specialists because they need to look at your blood values, they need to measure hormones and different things that you're not going to know how to manage unless you take a team approach. Graves' disease, unfortunately, cannot be cured, but the good news is it can be managed, and it can be managed where you have a completely normal life. But to manage it, you've got to work together with your team. And that's going to include several people, an endocrinologist, a dermatologist, an ophthalmologist, and you need to be educated in certain things to look for so that you can prevent something that could become a problem later if it's not addressed.